Making money with social media is all about driving traffic to specific content, and the content may not actually be yours. It may also be yours right now, but you can also drive traffic and start making money right now. Such content may actually be content like affiliate marketing products. It could be CPA marketing products also, and it could be actually any kind of content. So while you're driving traffic to such content, you can be making money online. And an example of social media platform you could utilize for this right now is this platform right here called TikTok. TikTok is an amazing platform that gets lots and lots of traffic right now automatically right there, because if you do analyze TikTok based on similar web statistics, you actually do find that TikTok got about 2.3 billion visits in just the last month right now. That's actually a huge amount of traffic TikTok actually gets. So in this video right now, I'm going to show you an easy strategy or give you an overview of a simple way you can actually go on to utilizing TikTok to make money with the platform right here called CPA Grip, or to make money with CPA marketing. And you can use any CPA marketing platform of your choice for this. This is actually going to work right there. All you need to do right now is to come onto the CPA marketing platform and go to registering for an account. It is quite easy to do so right now. You just want to register for an account right there. Because I'm logged into my account, you cannot actually see the register icon that will be shown to you right here. But if you actually want to create an account, come on to cpagrip.com. A register icon will be in this section. Click on that and you'll be brought to a page such as this, where you just need to provide your basic details on all the fields with the red asterisk signs right here, and you can actually agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out, then get your account created. You can also go on to login into your account once you're done with that. So guys, once you actually go on to login into your account, you want to come onto a page that looks like this. And to get to this page, you just need to come right here, click on the offer tools. If you do click on offer tools right now, you want to select my offers, get onto this particular section right now, and you can filter your offers based on country right now. You can see right here that you can filter your offers based on country. Select offers from any country of your choice right now, and as you can see, these are a lot of cool offers right here. This is the offer that actually pays the highest, and this offer is a cool giveaway offer for a $500 or €500 gift card right now to people in the United Kingdom that uses Apple iOS device. All they need to do is to submit their email address and zip code utilizing my unique affiliate link, and I'm going to get paid about $10.27. This is how cool this particular offer actually is. All you need to do right now is to copy the link to the offer right there and go on to creating a simple landing page. You can actually go on to promoting multiple CPA marketing offers with this platform right here called Linktree. As this is an amazing platform, you could just simply go on to leveraging right now as a landing page right here. If you want to learn more details about other platforms that you could also simply use for landing pages right now, and how to actually create landing pages on such platforms, you want to just simply head on to my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon, and you want to just simply type in landing page. If you do type in landing page right now and click on enter, it's actually going to go on to leading you right now to the page where you can actually see a lot of cool videos I created for you that shows you how you could easily create simple landing pages. As you can see, these are actually the cool videos right here for you right now. So check out these videos, they're actually amazing, and utilize them to create high converting landing pages. So once you've created your landing page, guys, you want to just simply go on to promoting that on TikTok. And how do you promote that on TikTok? You actually need to get a video which you want to just simply go on to utilizing. You can actually go on to getting videos from platforms like YouTube. Maybe if you get a long content or a long video, you can get that on YouTube and actually go on to cutting that right there with an editor tool and edit that to your preference to actually upload on TikTok right here. Or you can actually then go on to utilizing this platform right here called ChatGPT. You can utilize ChatGPT right now to go on to generating some cool content right now, or some cool script for your video. All you actually need to do is to ask ChatGPT to write an article on any topic of your choice, and if ChatGPT do write an article or a story right there, you can actually ask ChatGPT to write a short story. You can then just simply copy the story, head on to platforms like 11labs io, and 11 labs will actually enable you go to converting such kind of article into a speech. So you can convert text to speech with 11 labs right now to actually have a voiceover. You can also then go on to generating some cool images right now from royalty free platforms like Pixels and Pixabay right there. Get some cool images that you can use, then merge them using a video editing tool like Canva right now to go into generating cool and amazing images of video content. You can also create videos right here that are actually related to this, which are kind of like Reddit stories right now. And Reddit stories are actually kind of videos that actually goes on to utilizing just a simple gameplay in the background of the video, while a very cool audio content is actually going through on the background right there of the video. You'll be able to see a very cool caption of the audio or of the voiceover that is actually being talked about on the background of the video right there, and you can easily do that right there just by getting a very cool video or a game video. Then you just go on to getting, maybe you could get your videos from YouTube, download the video, go on to actually getting a very cool content from platforms like ChatGPT like I showed you earlier, use 11 labs for the audio creation, and actually go on to utilizing a very cool video editing tool to add captions and merge both audio and video together. And you can actually utilize CPA Canva right here for that right now. And always make sure, guys, that when promoting this particular CPA marketing offer, the link is actually in the description of this particular video. And if you're actually putting the link in the description of the video, you could also go on to put in the link in the bio of your account right there and go on to promoting that on platforms such as that. And if you're just simply getting people's attention using the video, you can actually start driving traffic to such offers and start making money online. Another platform which you could use for such purpose is this platform called Pinterest. Pinterest is an amazing platform which a lot of people are actually using right now to drive traffic to a lot of cool and amazing content. As you can see right now, this is what people are actually doing on Pinterest right here. They're driving traffic to a lot of cool and amazing links right now. If you do click on the Pinterest pin right here, you can actually go into the top section. Once the page loads up, you'll be able to see that this particular pin is actually driving traffic to a very cool content. You can actually do see right here that this is a link right now that if you do click on, it's going to take me to that particular new page where you can actually then go on to see the content to this right now, which this particular platform is actually driving traffic to. So basically, guys, a lot of people are actually utilizing this strategy, and this strategy is a proven one that actually works. You want to just simply leverage the same strategy and utilize that to make money online. And I do hope the video was helpful. If you have any question, drop that in the comment section down below. So do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all, because I do actually create videos that shows you ways which you can actually make money online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.